Why people are not getting job nowadays. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sonam Raini, and today in this video I am gonna discuss that why people are not getting job. Definitely after listening my this line you will say that we have much more population and we do not have enough job. Correct, very right. Means definitely we do not have enough job, but I'm not going to discuss this. In this video I'm going to discuss that why means why we do not have jobs, means what we can do to get job, what we can do to understand ourselves so that getting job is become easy for ourselves. So firstly we will discuss that we do not have idea that what kind of job I can do. This is my first point. That firstly means that after completing our graduation from any stream we thought like we will get job, but we do not have idea that about our self core. Yes, means we should have knowledge that what is our self core, means which kind of skill I have and you have. Means do you have any like digital marketing course skill, and you should also need to be expert in this. Means you should have any skill and you should need to expert in this, because learning many things and not getting expertise in anything is not good. Even learn one thing but need to become expert in that thing. Means we just need to make sure that our self core it should be strong. Means for example, if someone is doing like someone is want to become data scientist, so they should have knowledge about Python, SQL, and means many courses. Means they also just need to be expert in all these things. Okay, so firstly we just need to understand skill, and second point, you just need to ask yourself, do you have any skill or not? Means do we really have any skill, yes or not? You just need to ask this question to yourself. If your answer is yes, so it is very good for you. You just need to improve on it. And if your answer is no, so you just need to learn or need to achieve a skill with specialization. Okay, so you just need to be specialist in that skill and you just need to learn that skill. Okay, so you just it's still not late. Okay, nothing is late. Means you are still not that older that you are not getting any skill. You can learn any skill anytime. Okay, so first just try to understand your core self, and second try to learn new skill. Okay, and third thing I will say that communication. Yes, communication, and especially if I talk about English communication. Guys, nowadays even HR taking your interview and they are speaking with you in Hindi, but it's your duty to talk with them in English. Yes, means everyone, even in small company, big company, startup, even means any field, any kind of job want you to speak in English. And also not just you need to speak in English, you just be fluent. They want fluency, means you just need to be fluent in English. Okay, so please, I have shown many engineers and many people means many people who are graduate, postgraduate, even doing PhD, but not able to get a single job because they are not able to communicate. Or communication bhi kaisi, means they just need to want to speak in means fluently. Everyone want fluency, so everyone just want to you to speak in English. Whether it's they are just giving you 50,000, means when you start your career and you just only able to get maybe 15,000 or 16,000 or maximally 20,000 if I talk about in MNCs from starting. But still they want that still they want that their employee should able to speak in English. So just learn. Okay, just learn, everyone can learn. And I am also a live example that I am a self motivator, and I am also a self learner, and I am on a journey of learning. Okay, I'm also learning, and I'm also speaking with confidence. Okay, so you can learn. And next point I will say, do you have basic knowledge of internet or computer? Guys, just you just need to learn basic knowledge about a computer, because if your work is not based on computer, typically means you are belong to a non technical background. So you, but still you just need to have a basic computer knowledge. If you are belong to a technical department or technical field, so definitely you should have a much more knowledge about the means technical thing. But still you are not belong to that field, but still you just need to have basic knowledge, means you are able to send like mails, and you are able to research basic things. You are able to use crms like zoho and many crms. So you just need to have knowledge about computer. Okay. And next point I will say, yes, very important point, do we have confidence? Yes, do we have confidence? Do you have confidence, guys? Means I have also gave many interviews, and I would say that means every company are taking more than 4 rounds. Means 3 round or 4 rounds are very common, very normal rounds. Means some companies are taking means total 5 round or maximum 6 round. Okay, so they will means take 2 round will be directly like hr round, and second round means second, not second, but fourth round would be like manager round. So all those round is like talking with them, communicating with them in english, and they will check your iq, your means they will check your personality and your intelligence through those round. Okay, so just they will check your confidence, also knowledge, and if you have any work experience they will also check, and how intelligent you are they will check. Whenever they are just giving you 15,000, but still they want means special a superpower kind of employee. Okay, so you just need to learn confidence, and confidence is something you can achieve. You can watch my video, I made many videos, so you can learn many things. And if still you want any advice, or I also plan to organize some webinars. If you are also interested, if you are also interested to watch that webinar, so you can contact me, you can mail me. Okay, so I will guide you personally. Okay. And next point I will say that, are you handled to face rejection? Yes, very important point, guys. This doesn't matter that how many skill you have. Yes, I said that skills very important, communication very important, but still maybe they want something else. Means you can't understand the mood of hr. Okay, what they want that time, what one thing they like about you, and what one thing they do not like about you. Okay, maybe you can speak in english very well, you have knowledge about everything, you also have work experience, but still they are not giving you that job. Maybe there would be some reasons, there some means personal mindset should be, and maybe there is some gap in your career, and maybe you are preparing for some exams, so you are not able to continue or not able to get any job due to your means you are preparing for upsc or ssc. So maybe that would be become also a reason for your not getting job. But it's okay, where if you means if you in your destiny it will be written to get a job, you will get. Okay, so you just should have courage to face rejection. Okay, if they, after having skill, after having good communication, after having knowledge about everything, if still you are not chosen, so this is not your fault. Okay, you just need to be confident. Okay. One more thing I want to add on it, and also employee should have their some personal issue, and a person who are try to get a job, but if he or she is not comfortable with the timing of the companies, and not comfortable with the salary of the companies, and the duration between his home and the company, then after selecting or after getting job, and after clearing all the round, he or she is still not able to continue. So there should be not just a, and this happened with me many times. Means I get many offers, but the distance of the company is very far from my house. Means like 2 2 hour distance, and I am means I am a person who have travel sickness, so it's very tough for me. But so that's why I quit many offers. And there is also many things like that. If someone is working in MNC, and as we all are know that MNC is working, many MNCs is working according to like American shift, and like they're only working on night shift. Still they are providing cabs and all, but people are not comfortable working in that timing, so people also quit after selecting. So it's happened with me many times. So there should be our personal reason to quit that job after getting or selecting. So it's okay, it's no problem. I just want to I just want to motivate you that always trust on yourself, always believe in yourself. I am here to help you. If you have any doubt, any question, and you want to learn English, or you want to get some information about anything, and you means you want guidance about life, about corporate world, or about anything, you just means you can book my webinar, and you can comment me, and just you can ask anything if you want. Okay, and share this video if you find this video helpful. And I'm on my self improvement journey. I'm always working on myself, because everyone should just work on themselves. So I'm also in my journey, so support me in my journey. And just I want to tell you that believe in yourself, and just love yourself, and never get depressed, and just love yourself. I hope this video will help you, and ask anything if you want to. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. One more thing, one